What are circumpolar stars? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing some stars that never seem to set, no matter how long you watch. These special stars are called circumpolar stars, and they have a fascinating place in astronomy. They are stars that stay above the horizon all the time from a specific location on Earth. Instead of rising and setting like most stars, they appear to circle around one of the celestial poles, the points directly above Earth's north or south pole. Because of this, they are visible throughout the entire night and even all year round if you stay in the same spot. The key to understanding circumpolar stars is knowing where you are on Earth. Your latitude, or how far north or south you are, determines which stars stay visible all the time. For example, if you are at the North Pole, the North Celestial Pole is directly overhead, so all stars in the northern sky are circumpolar and never dip below the horizon. But if you are closer to the equator, fewer stars stay circumpolar because the celestial pole appears closer to the horizon, making some stars rise and set each day. A simple rule helps figure out which stars are circumpolar. If a star's declination, which is like latitude on the sky, is greater than 90 degrees minus your latitude, then that star will never set. So, for someone at a latitude of 45 degrees north, any star with a declination above 45 degrees is circumpolar. This means it stays visible all the time, circling around the North Celestial Pole. Knowing about circumpolar stars is useful for navigation. For example, Polaris, or the North Star, is very close to the North Celestial Pole. It appears almost fixed in the sky and helps travelers find north easily. Other stars and constellations like Ursa Major, which contains the Big Dipper, and Ursa Minor, which has Polaris, are also circumpolar in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, constellations like Crux and Centaurus stay visible all year round because they are near the South Celestial Pole, although that area doesn't have a bright star marking the pole like Polaris. Understanding circumpolar stars is also important for scientists and explorers working in polar regions. They use these stars as constant reference points for navigation and research. This is especially helpful in areas where GPS signals might be weak or unreliable. For ships, planes, and space agencies, knowing which stars stay visible helps with precise positioning and tracking. In summary, circumpolar stars are stars that stay above the horizon all the time from a specific location on Earth. Their constant presence makes them useful for navigation and scientific work, especially in the polar regions. They circle around the celestial poles, giving us a reliable way to find directions and observe the night sky without worry about stars disappearing.